If you want to check battery temperature on Realme 14T, then in that case we need to download a third-party app that allows us to check this information. So I'm gonna go to search over here and we can find, for example, Dev Info app, which is an example app that contains some information about the battery, and not only that, but some other stuff as well. So you can try this app over here and let's open it. It is easy to set up, you just need to grant the permission, or, well, if you see the requirement to grant the permission for notifications, then it is not really necessary to grant it. Of course, we will see an ad in the meantime, but it is a free app. You should be able to use it without paying anything. So let's close these ads. And after that, you should be able to switch over here to battery. There we go. And over here, we can read the temperature of our battery. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.